Hello everyone and welcome to ERCS Private Limited, your trusted compliance partner. Today we are talking about EPR registration for plastic waste in India, a critical environmental compliance every producer and brand owner needs. Plastic waste continues to be a major environmental issue globally and in India. To address this, the Indian government has implemented the Extended Producer Responsibility (EPR) framework under the Plastic Waste Management Rules. This means producers, importers, brand owners, and plastic waste processors are now responsible for managing plastic waste responsibly from production to disposal. What is EPR? EPR stands for Extended Producer Responsibility. It is a mechanism that shifts the responsibility of plastic waste management from the government to the producer. Under EPR, businesses must ensure that the plastic they introduced into the market is collected, recycled, reused, or disposed of in an environmentally sound way. Why does EPR registration for plastic waste matter? EPR registration for plastic waste is not just a formality, it's a legal requirement under the Plastic Waste Management Rules 2016 and its amendment. If your business produces, imports, or uses plastic packaging even as part of a product, you must register for EPR. Failing to do so can lead to penalties or legal actions under environmental law in India. Who needs EPR registration? EPR applies to several stakeholders including producers, importers, brand owners, plastic waste processors who are involved in recycling waste to energy, waste to oil, or industrial composting. If your business falls under any of these categories and deals with plastic packaging, EPR registration is mandatory. Products covered under the EPR registration for plastic waste. The EPR framework applies to all types of plastic packaging, which can be grouped into categories: rigid plastic packaging, single layer or multi-layer flexible packaging, multi-layered plastic packaging, plastic sheets and compostable bags. If your products use any of these plastics, EPR registration is required. EPR registration process. Here's how the EPR registration process works for plastic waste management. Centralized EPR portal. Producers, importers, and brand owners must register on the centralized EPR portal set by the Central Pollution Control Board (CPCB). Choose authority. If you operate in only a couple of states, you may register with the State Pollution Control Board (SPCB). If your presence spans more than 2 states, you must register directly with CPCB. Submit action plan. You must submit a detailed EPR action plan outlining how you will collect, recycle, reuse, or dispose of plastic waste. Meet targets. Your EPR plan must meet recycling targets and proof of processing, often through Registered Plastic Waste Processor (PWPs). Annual return. Registered entities must submit annual detail of their EPR compliance through the portal. Documents required for EPR registration. You will need a few key documents to complete your EPR registration, such as Company PAN, GST and CIN, IEC for importers, PAN or Aadhaar of authorized person, DIC registration if applicable, process flow diagrams for producers and plastic waste processors, consent from SPCB or PCC if you have a production facility. Having these ready makes the registration process smoother. Validity renewal and compliance. Once granted, your EPR registration is valid for 1 year. You must apply for renewal 4 months before expiry. Along with the updated documents, non-compliance such as failing to register or missing targets can lead to cancellation of your registration and even penalties under environmental laws. Benefits of EPR registration. EPR registration not only keeps you compliant with Indian laws but also highlights your commitment to sustainability. It can improve your environmental credentials, help your brand stand out with eco-friendly practices, and even reduce liability by ensuring responsible disposal of plastic waste. How ERCS Private Limited can help? At ERCS Private Limited, we provide end-to-end support for EPR registration and compliance. From action plan, preparation and documentation to portal submission and annual return, we make sure your business meet all EPR obligations smoothly and on time. If you need help with EPR registration for plastic waste in India, contact us at ERCS today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more compliance insights.